back on the old Aquasport today. I'm going to try and jam that motor home. I'm not sure how I'm going to hold the camera and do that at the same time. Maybe I'll tripod it. I don't know. Get somebody to film it. We'll try it and see how that works out. I don't have a whole lot of hope. It's just going to slide right in there anyway, but I'm going to fiddle with it and give it a shot. Here we go. So what we need to do is get that little shift shaft right there to line up with that other one right there. And you can do that. There's a little gap right here where you can touch that shaft and move it. You can use a little pair of vice grips to take it in and out of gear. Now we're out of gear, which is fine because we're in neutral on the console. Now if these don't line up perfect right away, you might need to tweak it just a little. Until everything kind of slides together. Fun fact, these bolts, where they come up through, before you get everything pushed too close together, you got to get your bolts and stuff in there. Alright, snug up our two wrench ones and we'll be good. So, I'm not a marine mechanic. Put it on, tightened it down, it was jammed up, it wouldn't turn. I looked at the old lower unit and saw it had this little spacer piece on the back of it with a bevel that goes on first. And the prop tightens down to that and it all spins so it doesn't jam up against your lower unit. So let's try that again. Well, that's better. Get yourself a screwdriver. Pry your nut locks back up here so that can't turn. And there we go. Buttoned up. Let's get her outside. Well, let's give her a shot. She hasn't run for a while. It'll probably be a little hard, but I don't know any reason why it wouldn't start. test out the gears, rev her up, check the gauges, make sure everything works. Let's give her a shot. Got her warmed up a little bit, all the gauges work. Watch how easy she starts. There it is. Motor's fixed, fired up, runs great. Next thing to do, we got a scupper to fix. Put some new wheels and tires on it. Take her for a sea trial. That should be fun.